Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Miss English podcast, where learning English is fun and friendly. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hi, listeners. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is something very human and very helpful: learning from mistakes.
Oh, yes. Everyone makes mistakes. Me, Emily, you, everyone listening.
That's true. Mistakes can feel bad, but they are actually our best teachers.
Exactly. When we make mistakes, we learn how to do something better next time.
Before we start, let's make a promise together. Listeners, repeat after us. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Great. David, do you remember your first big mistake in learning English?
Yes. I once said, I am boring, instead of, I am bored.
Oh no, that changes the meaning completely.
I know, everyone laughed, but I learned something important. Grammar can change everything.
So, today, we'll explore how mistakes help us grow, learn, and become more confident in English and in life. David, what do you think a mistake is?
A mistake is when we do something wrong or not as we wanted. But it's not bad. It's a chance to learn.
Exactly. For example, saying she go instead of she goes.
That's a grammar mistake. But if you learn from it, it's progress.
Let's try this. Listeners, say the wrong sentence first, then fix it. Wrong, she go to school.
Correct. She goes to school. She goes to school.
Perfect. See, you made a mistake and learned. That's the magic of practice.
Mistakes happen in school, at work, and even in relationships.
For example, maybe you forget a friend's birthday. That's a mistake, but next time you set a reminder.
So, mistakes teach us responsibility.
Repeat after us. Every mistake helps me grow.
Every mistake helps me grow.
Some people are afraid to make mistakes because they think it means failure.
But that's not true. Making mistakes means you are trying.
Yes, if you never try, you never learn.
Think of a child learning to ride a bicycle. They fall many times.
But they keep trying, and one day they ride perfectly.
Repeat this sentence. It's okay to fall. I will stand up again. It's okay to fall. I will stand up again.
Wonderful. You know, David, when I first started speaking on this podcast, I made small pronunciation mistakes.
And now you sound confident and clear because you learned from them.
Thank you. So, listeners, don't fear mistakes. Welcome them.
Repeat after us. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes.
Let's share some real stories.
Okay, my first story. I once sent an important email to the wrong person.
Oh no. What did you do?
I apologized, corrected it, and learned to double-check every message.
That's a great lesson. Check before sending. My story, I once forgot to record an episode.
Really?
Yes, we talked for 40 minutes and nothing saved. I learned to always press record twice.
That's funny and useful.
Listeners, think of one mistake you made recently. What did it teach you?
Good job. You are learning self-reflection. That's powerful.
Repeat. Mistakes are lessons.
Mistakes are lessons.
Let's talk about the steps to learn from mistakes.
Step 1. Notice it. Don't ignore your mistake.
Step 2. Understand it. Ask, why did this happen?
Step 3. Fix it. Try again, but differently.
Step 4. Remember it. Don't repeat the same one.
Example. You said, he don't like apples. You correct it to, he doesn't like apples. Then next time, you remember, after he, she, or it, use doesn't.
Repeat. He doesn't like apples.
He doesn't like apples.
Excellent.
The more you correct, the faster you learn.
Let's do some real-life dialogues.
Scene 1, at school.
I forgot my homework.
That's okay. What can you do next time?
I'll pack my bag before bed.
Good plan.
Scene 2, at work.
I sent the wrong report.
Oh no. How can you fix it?
I'll send the right one and say sorry.
Excellent. Problem solved.
Scene 3, in English class.
I said, he go instead of he goes.
That's okay. Now you know.
Repeat after us. I can make mistakes and still learn.
I can make mistakes and still learn.
Time for practice.
I'll say a mistake and you fix it.
She don't like pizza.
Correct. She doesn't like pizza.
I am boring in class.
Correct. I am bored in class.
He can sings.
Correct. He can sing.
Great job. You're becoming more confident.
Now, reflection questions.
What mistake do I make often?
How can I fix it?
What did I learn from it?
Remember, thinking about your mistakes makes you smarter.
David, I think many people feel sad or angry when they make mistakes.
True, but we can change how we think.
Instead of, I failed, say, I learned something new.
Instead of, I'm bad at this, say, I'm getting better.
Repeat these affirmations. I can learn from every mistake.
I can learn from every mistake.
I am growing every day.
I am growing every day.
I am not perfect, but I'm improving.
I am not perfect, but I'm improving.
Wonderful.
Listeners, positive thinking helps you enjoy the learning process.
Let's test your memory.
Question 1. What is the first step to learning from mistakes?
Answer: notice it.
Question 2. What should you say instead of I failed?
Say, I learned something new.
Question 3. What can mistakes teach you?
They teach lessons for success.
Great job.
Reflection time.
What mistake helped you most in life?
How do you feel when you fix a mistake?
What can you do when you see a mistake next time?
Take a deep breath and smile. You're growing.
Let's review today's lessons.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Mistakes are teachers.
Don't be afraid. Learn, fix, and grow.
Be kind to yourself.
Every mistake you make is a step toward success.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop trying.
Say this with us. I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
Thank you for listening to the Miss English podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this episode.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Just learn from them.
See you next time. Bye.